Welcome. In this video, we are going to take a look at problem 9. It is from section 1.1 of College Algebra 2E by OpenStax. In this problem, we need to simplify the given expression. We will need to use the order of operations. And we need to simplify 3 times in parentheses 5 minus 8. So we will handle the parentheses first. And 5 minus 8 is minus 3. So we have 3 times minus 3, and that is minus 9. And that is our final answer. That is what we needed to find. I hope you found this helpful. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.